Hello my friends, welcome to Pro-Am Strings. I'm Henriette and this is lesson 33, and in this lesson today we are practicing Go Tell Aunt Rhody, which is exercise 100 on page 30 in your book. In this lesson we're just going to play it through, and when we do that I want you to play the fourth finger for the A's on the first line and the open strings for the A's on the second line. We're playing this with a da capo. So at the end of your second line you go back and play the first line again. I'll count us in for 4, and before we start I'd like you to test your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift your bow off now. Retake the bow again. Fourth finger here. And if you were able to keep up throughout this whole piece, you have made massive progress. Congratulations, your 100th piece in this book, and you've come this far. All credit to all your hard work. If you are enjoying your lessons so far, why not become a member of Henriette's Violin Club? You can find the video explaining all the perks in this club in this end screen here. So click on it and watch that other video as well. I look forward to seeing you very soon.